Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of e to the power of negative x dx over the square root of 9 multiplied with e to the power of negative 2x plus 1. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. In here we have e to the power of negative 2x. We can separate them into e to the power of negative x and e to the power of negative x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to e to the power of negative x, du equals to negative e to the power of negative x dx. Because we don't have the negative, so we put the negative next to du. So in this one we change to u square. This one we change to negative du. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about u equals to 1 over 3 tan t du equals to 1 over 3 dt over cosine t square. So du we change for this one u square, we change for this one, and you will get about 1 over 9 tan t square. 9 multiplied with 1 over 9, you will go about number 1. And now we have the formula 1 plus tan t square equal to 1 over cosine t square. Now we need to change this one into 1 over cosine t square. So the square root of 1 over cosine t square, you will go about 1 over cosine t. Next, we have cosine t and cosine t, they will cancel together, and now you have only negative 1 over 3 dt over cosine t. On the next one, we multiply cosine t on numerator and denominator. Next, we have the formula cosine t square plus sine t square equals to number 1. So we have cosine t square equals to 1 minus sine t square. So we change cosine t square into 1 minus sine t square. Then we can use about integration by substitution. So we put about z equal to sine t, dz equals to cosine t dt. So this one we change to z to the power of 2. This one we change for dz. Next, 1 minus z to the power of 2, we can put in 1 minus z multiply with 1 plus z. So on numerator we have 1 minus z plus 1 plus z. Because we have 1 plus 1 is about number 2, so in here we should multiply with number 2 and you got about number 6. One minus z divide 1 minus z, you will got about 1 over 1 plus z. And the second one, we have 1 plus z divide 1 plus z, you will got about 1 over 1 minus z. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over 1 plus z, you will got about ln, that's about natural log, and we have 1 plus z in the absolute value. We have the negative because we have the minus next to the z, that's why we have the negative in here. So we have ln 1 minus z in the absolute value, and we have c is about constant. About z, we need to change back to sine t. About t, we need to change back to this one, and t equal to arctan 3u. About u, we need to change back to this one, and that's it about the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.